How to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. Now, as you all know that there is a criteria in order to go live on TikTok. There are basically two criteria that you need to have at least 1,000 followers and you need to be at least 18 years of age in order to go live and have an option to go live on TikTok. Now, if you want to go live without having 1,000 followers, the other thing that you need to make sure is that you are 18 years of age and above, and the only thing that you can do is report a problem to TikTok about that issue. Now head over to the app of TikTok and from your profile section tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. From here scroll down and tap on report a problem. Now, as I said earlier, there is no other thing that you can do other than reporting a problem. You need to come down and tap on live and tap on how to start a live. Here it again mentions all the criteria that you need. Now you can tap on no and tap on need more help. Now you can type in the exact problem that you're facing, which is you do not have a option to go live on TikTok. You can type in something like this. There is a very less chance that TikTok will allow you to go live without having 1,000 followers, but either way you can try it and type something like that and tap on submit. Now after you reported that problem, you should be able to get a response of TikTok on your email. So that's the only thing that you can do in order to get a live option without having 1,000 followers. So if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.